All right, so you're staring at your Pinterest dashboard, wondering how your pins are performing. Let's break down how you can access and interpret Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins and boards. First, start by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of Pinterest. From the drop-down menu, select Analytics. This will open up a treasure trove of data that's available to you. Now, at a glance, you'll see an overview of key metrics such as impressions, saves, and link clicks. Impressions tell you how many times your pins have been seen. The more impressions, the better, right? It means that your pin is getting some serious visibility. Next, let's talk about saves. This metric shows how many people have saved your pin to their boards. When someone saves your pin, it means they found it useful or inspiring enough to bookmark it for later. And it's also a good indicator that your content is resonating with your audience. Then we have link clicks. This is a golden metric because it tells you how many times people have clicked on your pin to visit your website. It's a direct measure of how engaging your content is and how effective your pins are at driving traffic. You'll also want to check out the Audience Insights section. Here, you can gain valuable information about the demographics and interests of your audience. Knowing who your audience is can help you create more targeted content that they will love. Finally, dive into the Boards section in your analytics. This will show you which boards are performing the best. Understanding which boards are the most popular can help you focus your efforts on those areas and replicate the success on other boards. So, which metric do you think is the most important for your Pinterest goals? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Okay, let's talk about something really important for your Pinterest success: key metrics. First up, impressions. Impressions tell you how many times your pins have been seen. Think of it as the number of eyeballs on your content. The more impressions, the better your visibility. This metric is an early sign that your pin is catching attention. Next, we have saves. When someone saves your pin, they're bookmarking it for later. This means they found your content useful or inspiring. Saves are a good indicator that your content resonates with your audience, showing you're providing value. Now, let's focus on link clicks. This one's a biggie. Link clicks tell you how many folks are clicking through your pin to visit your website. High link clicks mean your pins are not just attractive, but also driving traffic where it matters most: your site. It's a direct measure of your content's engagement level. Moving on to conversion rates. Conversion rates are about action. They tell you the percentage of users who took a specific action after clicking through, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. This metric is crucial for understanding how effective your pins are at driving tangible results for your business. So, which metric do you think will help you the most in growing your Pinterest presence? Analytics data is your best friend when it comes to refining your Pinterest content strategy. One of the key strategies is to consistently monitor your most engaging pins. Look at which pins are getting the most impressions, saves, and link clicks. Do they have something in common? Maybe they share a similar design, theme, or topic. By identifying what works, you can tailor future content to match that winning formula. Next, consider the timing of your posts. Analytics can show you when your audience is most active. Pinning your content during these peak times can significantly boost your visibility and engagement. Try experimenting with different posting schedules and track which times generate the highest interaction rates. Pin design is another crucial factor. Study your analytics to see which pin designs perform best. Are your audience drawn to bright colors or more muted tones? Do they prefer text overlays or minimalistic images? By refining your design choices based on what drives engagement, you can create more compelling pins that capture your audience's attention. Don't forget about your pin descriptions. Use your analytics to find which keywords and phrases are most effective. Tailor your descriptions to include those high-performing keywords, making your content more searchable and engaging. This can lead to higher impressions and interaction rates. Lastly, focus on AB testing. Create variations of your pins and monitor their performance. This strategy helps you pinpoint what elements resonate most with your audience and what needs improvement. Continuous testing and refining your pins can lead to significant boosts in engagement and visibility. What's one specific metric you're planning to track more closely to enhance your Pinterest strategy? Let me know in the comments.